Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Niranjana from Leo Tales, and today we have a brand new subscription by the name Ayan Mini. Basically, they have three boxes: Ayan Mini at 550, ADIVA at 900 and Ayan at 1400. Today we'll be unboxing the Ayan Mini, which will be the launch edition of April as well. It is priced at 550 plus shipping. It is a personalized subscription. How that is done later in the video, I will be explaining that as well. And I have two discount coupons for you. One is that you can get a 5% discount until March 26th. If you are a subscriber, just show them a screenshot of your subscription, or you can use the code LEOFREE and get a free gift, and that is valid till stocks last. So this was how the box reached me. Let's open up and see what we have in the good condition, the sturdy packaging, and inside that we have all the products. So the packaging is really nice. Everything is neatly bubble wrapped and all, and they also have a spoiler for May. The theme is Shadi Mubarak, and the main attraction of May boxes are that you have the mini one and then you have the bigger ones as well, two of them, and they have clothing items in them, and they are all like priced under 1k. So those boxes under 1k with clothing items are like extremely good. I'm looking forward to the boxes, so definitely stay tuned to my channel for the May unboxings as well. So that is the theme, and I'm really happy that it is. So in this month we also have a discount coupon. You can use the code ADIVA and get 20% off on all the fuchsia full size products. Okay, so I'll mention the code. So here we have, I think this is the info card. It's not an info card, it is actually like a personalization form. Congratulations for becoming part of the family and giving us a chance to provide something different for you. I'm Rubina Khan. Doctor proudly introduces you our boxes of love that are made by a team of experts. Dr. Rubina has been my subscriber as well, so I'm really happy that she has started such an initiative. So here you have to fill in these form, and you can send it back to them, like, you know, probably take a picture or something. So this gives you a sort of personalization. I really appreciate this. This is not very common in subscription boxes. There are questions about your skin problems and skincare, your choices, hair type, skin color, and the basic details. So that's pretty good. I really appreciate this kind of personalization. So inside that we have all the products. So let's start one by one. First, I have something edible, and it is the Quaker Nutri Idli Breakfast Mix. So, I love idli. I can eat idli throughout the day. I don't know, I really love it. So this is priced at 45 rupees, and you can make 6 to 8 idlis from this, and cooking instructions and everything is given. So I'm very excited to try this one. I think it's a different flavor also, powered with 56% oats. Oh, it's oats idli. Wow, that's great. I am very much interested to try this. You will definitely see me making this on Instagram probably. So that is my first product. Second up, I have here a jewelry piece. Let's open up. So this is how the neck piece looks like, and it's a very pretty neck piece, and it's lightweight, and this is how the rear side looks like. It's like a cloth-like material, and you can tie it at the back side, so you can wear it as a choker or a bit downwards as well. And it's a pretty nice pattern. I've seen the pattern, but I don't think I have anything in this particular pattern. So it's pretty, and it is like a party wear, something you can wear probably with a very plain neck design dress. It will look very pretty, I believe. So it's a nice one, and I really like the neck piece. So this is my second product. The third jewelry piece that I have here is a pair of earrings, and I think I've seen different colors, so I received a green one. It's a very simple stud, a daily wear use, and not so over the top design, but they're not too small as well. And yeah, this is how the earring looks like. So this is the third jewelry piece, or the third product, or the second jewelry piece. Next I have here is a full-size skincare product from Fuchsia, Activated Charcoal Detoxifying Face and Body Scrub. Being summers, I think this is the right time to have a detox charcoal product, and it's good. It's good for all skin types. I think I've used this product from Fuchsia. So yeah, this is, I think it's priced at 450 rupees, and it has an expiry of 4 months. You're getting 100 grams of the product. These are mild scrubs, the Fuchsia scrubs, so it will suit all skin types, and I think even for sensitive skin it should be fine. So this is the full-size product. Next product I have here is a Dare to Bear Mud Mask, a 50-gram product that contains rococo, oatmeal, kaolin, vitamin E, Indian bentonite, chocolate, and frankincense essential oils. So it's a powder mask, and what you have to do is you have to mix it with water or curd or whichever base that you want according to your skin type. I think we maybe even mix it with honey if you have extremely dry skin. And apply it onto your face. The most beautiful, best addition would, the best addition would be probably floral waters or rose water or something. So this smells like chocolate. I think I have an opened one here, so I'm not opening it right now. And it's a 50-gram tub. I have only received samples of this one. For the first time, I'm receiving a full-sized product of this. And I think this is fairly a new launch from them. So this is a mud-based face mask. Next I have here is a metallic nail paint by Juice. It is silver in color, and Juice nail paints are pretty famous. They're good. I really like their, they're nice. The color payoff is good, and then it's an affordable brand as well. So I think I have a Juice collection. So this is good. This is the next product, and a nail paint is definitely a good addition in a box. I have here is a lip balm from Body. It is the orange lip balm. It contains it's renewal therapy. All right, the price is 45 rupees, and the key ingredients are mentioned here: jojoba, wheat germ, honey, steam distilled orange seed oil, and shea butter. Great. It has an expiry of around 3 years. You're getting 10 grams of the product, and 10 grams is quite huge for a lip balm. You will probably take around 6 months to finish that up. And I think I had a strawberry body lip balm earlier, and I like their fragrances. It has a rather strong fragrance and a taste as well, not a taste, a flavor. So orange would be very similar to that. So this is how the lip balm looks like. Yes, I was right. It has a rather strong fragrance, and this is how the lip balm looks like. So this is the next product in the box. Then there is a choker, a very simple choker, but I am a fan of chokers. Although I have a slightly thicker neck, to be honest, I think chokers will still look good. And even I was surprised to see that chokers will actually fit me. So this is a very simple choker design, but definitely goes well with Western outfits. And it's an elastic type as well. So yeah, this is another. And then we have something wrapped up inside this like a gift. Let's open it up. So first we have some hand sanitizer samples. I have already reviewed these on my feed. This is from the brand O Sanitizer. I have reviewed their hand sanitizers as well as toilet seat sanitizers. Good. And then we also have some wet wipes by the brand Max. It is a single sheet and it's alcohol free. This is, I think that's a new brand. I don't remember trying this before. Suitable for all skin types, made from premium non-woven fabric. Deep clean, unclogs the pores, moisturizes in a single wiping. So this is for face. Again, it is a good addition for summers because sweaty summers and oily skin don't go hand in hand. And I always carry blotting sheets and wet wipes and all that stuff. So for a freshness feeling, I prefer wet wipes over blotting sheets. So this is good and a new brand to try as well. So that's everything I received in my Ayan Mini at 550, and I like the product choices. I really like the idli mix, the jewelry, and we have a couple of full-size skincare products. There is a makeup product, a hand sanitizer. Under 550, it right now looks like a good deal, and this is the launch box. So I would say they've done a good job with the launch box. The jewelry quality of the neck piece is very good. The choker is also good, and I really can't find a con as such. We do have a competitive pricing point at 550 in that range, but I still feel that a very good attempt, and there is a scope of improvement by maybe adding probably a more branded makeup or something, but we can expect that in future for sure. But for a launch box, I think they've done a very good job compared to many other launch boxes that we have seen recently. So this is my review about Ayan Mini for the month of April at 550 rupees, and you also have discount code. So do stay tuned for the May editions as well. You're gonna love the editions which will come with clothing items, and you will see the unboxing on my channel as well. So let me know how you like the Ayan Mini and how you think of this launch box. So we'll meet soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.